Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to zero Glock iron sights. Zeroing your firearm is crucial for consistent shot placement and improving your overall shooting performance. We will cover the fundamental steps, from setting up your range to making precise sight adjustments. This process ensures your point of aim aligns perfectly with your point of impact, giving you confidence with every shot you take. Begin by setting up your target at a standard distance, typically 25 yards, to get a good baseline. A stable shooting rest is highly recommended to eliminate human error and ensure your shots are as consistent as possible. Fire a controlled 3-shot group, aiming carefully at the center. This initial group will reveal where your firearm is currently shooting relative to your point of aim. Now, carefully analyze your 3-shot group. If your shots are consistently hitting low and to the left, you will need to move your rear sight to the left and raise it. Remember, move the rear sight in the direction you want the bullet to go. For elevation, a sight pusher tool helps make precise adjustments to the rear sight, or you might replace the front sight for significant vertical changes. After making an adjustment, fire another 3-shot group to observe the effect. It is crucial to make small, incremental changes rather than large ones. Repeat this process of shooting and adjusting until your shots are consistently hitting the center of your target. Once satisfied, fire a final 5-shot group to confirm your zero, ensuring your Glock is now accurately sighted in for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.